Hi, my name is Jess from Just Conway Photography, and today I'll be talking about lenses. Hi, so today I will be talking about the 50mm lens and the 24-105 lens and the differences between them. I'll show you some example clips and some photos on so you can see the differences of them. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please drop a comment down below. I'd love to connect with you all. And what did you think about the lenses? Did you like both of them, or did you like one or the other? Just let me know, I'd love to talk to you all. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, the thumbs up button, and turn on the post notifications, that little bell down there, so you don't ever miss one of my videos. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you very soon.